Hi there, welcome to the sale of this 2017 Fiat Fullback. This is an LX, top of the range. It's the same as the Mitsubishi Series 5 Warrior. It's Euro6 city centre clean zone compliant. This one's done 62,300 miles. It's in this coral white metallic, which looks really good on them. And yeah, I'll take you around and show you. It's sat on alloy wheels, got side steps. It's got good tyres on it all the way around. Hancooks. So it's got a fitted body liner, protective strip across the top edge where you'd lean in. Rear step, no tow bar on this track, but a tow bar's not expensive to fit on these tracks. This comes with a reverse camera. Looking there, a couple of tie downs on each corner. You can tie down on the return lip here as well. So we've got privacy glass on the rear glass units. Keyless entry, so you can just press the button, go in, get in with the keys on your person. So electric seats, heated front seats, airbags in the seat, nice cabin, 6-speed manual gearbox, selectable 4-wheel drive. Select it as and when you need it. Runs 2-wheel drive, keep it more economical, but use the 4-wheel drive when you're on the land or snowy conditions. Heated 6 auxiliary plug-ins down there. Digital climate control. It's a come with head unit, and that's a digital radio, reverse camera, sat-nav, all on that monitor. Cruise control, Bluetooth, all on the steering wheel. Radio controls on the steering wheel. It does have a lane control. It's just a warning light that flicks on if you're veering off out of your lane. Traction control, height adjust on the lights, electric mirrors, retractable electric mirrors. In the rear, nice and roomy in the rear, Isofix seating. So these are built under license with a deal they did with Mitsubishi for a couple of years. It's proved to be really good. 180 brake horsepower engine, tows 3,100 kilograms, very well. And available here now at Cross Country 4x4. We sold lots of these. We think they're really good. We think the Mitsubishi is very good as well. We can give quotes for finance on this vehicle. We'll consider a part exchange and we can quote to have it delivered to your area. We always encourage everybody to come to us, meet us, meet the vehicle, see the vehicle, come and drive it, test drive what you're getting. It's always the best way, but we can quote to have it delivered to you. Please do give us a ring on 01380 818 311. Thank you very much for looking.